G'day from the Bureau. Here's the weather wrap for the week ahead. And the only cloud with any real bite to it this weekend is in the southeast, where a cold front has brought 15 to 20 odd millimetres of rain through parts of South Australia and Victoria yesterday, then sweeping eastwards overnight. And that front is now moving out over the ocean, having dropped a good dump of snow to the mountains and created a livestock chill risk for underweight and young stock. Imagine a line from Sydney to Adelaide on Monday. North of that line, very little likelihood of rain for the day tomorrow. There could be some fog and some frost in the mornings. But south of that line, frequent showers and cold wintry winds as well. 2 to 12 millimetres of rain for most, but that could be up to 50 millimetres for Western Tasmania, with flurries of snow in the mountains. Tuesday's forecast is very similar. The vast majority of the nation's rain continues to be in the southeast, but we see a slightly increased risk of showers between Bundaberg and Mackay. Sunny everywhere else, but feeling like winter with seasonal temperatures. On Wednesday, high pressure and dry weather move in for the southeast, but in doing so, that'll shift the rainfall up the New South Wales coast. We could see between 10 and 30 millimetres of rain between Wollongong and the Gold Coast, with the chance of a rumble of thunder. Dry everywhere else. More showers and isolated storms for the east coast on Thursday. Brisbane is right on the cusp of this, with most of the action to the south, and we could see some heavy showers. We'll finally get a little bit of rain elsewhere, with a cold front moving into Western Australia that will lead into quite a wet Friday around the southwest of the country, with another 10 to 30 millimetres possible down there. Further showers across the east coast, mostly north of Sydney. For those of you in between, it's going to be more dry conditions. And that's the wrap on this week's weather. We'll catch you in the next one.